Okay, YouTube fam, it's Monday, and over the weekend, Congress passed the big, beautiful tax bill. And so I've been fielding calls all morning from my business owner clients that have questions about how it affects them. So I thought this would be the perfect first out there YouTube video about the big, beautiful tax bill. Let me introduce myself. I'm Sherry Borshoff. I'm an enrolled agent and tax strategist, and I help real business owners every day figure out what's going on with the tax code and what they can do to take as much advantage of the tax code for themselves as possible. So let's get into what's in this bill. There's a lot in the bill, and frankly, I can't do it all in one 8-minute video. So we're going to just kind of do the bullet points, and then maybe I'll come forth with a few other more specific videos that kind of break down things that affect you as business owners. But the bill is the Big Beautiful Tax Bill, or OBBBA for short. So it's to boost small business growth, support manufacturing and innovation. These are the big bullet points in the bill for business owners, and to provide relief for inflation-wary taxpayers. And yes, some of these will expire. They'll phase out from 2028. So some of these things we will want to get onto tax planning and make sure we take advantage of them while we have them. It did extend the TCJA or TCJA provisions that were passed in 2017. They were set to expire from 2025, and of course, with the administration that we have, it was a big push to make sure that those provisions, so you're still good to keep your QBI, qualified business income deduction, and the personal levels of the standard deduction still are raised. So not many people will actually, on their personal returns, be itemizing anymore. Still, the 100% bonus depreciation being extended is one of the major provisions for your business. If you have things that you need to operate your business that are large ticket items, 100% bonus depreciation is the way to go. So we will do another video definitely on that piece, because it goes into a lot more. The R&D expensing is another, I mean, we can go down a whole rabbit hole with R&D expensing, but that's been extended and it's been revised somewhat to make it easier for businesses who are manufacturers doing research and development to take advantage of the R&D credits that are available to them. The employee retention credit that came about as part of COVID, if you remember, they were cracking down quite a bit on some of the applications for the ERC credit that, and there were scamsters out there. There were people preying on small businesses saying, hey, we can get you thousands and thousands of dollars back. But a lot of those, frankly, were scamsters. And so they're looking at the R&D credit, and they are increasing enforcement. But hey, if that's something that you didn't take advantage of and your tax professional feels like you should take advantage of it, I say go for it. I'm always for taking any legal deduction or credit that you possibly can, as long as it's legal and you can support it. So the child tax credit expansion, this is more on the personal side, but they do add another $200 to child tax credit. And since business owners are people too, if you have children, that could benefit you quite a bit. There's more to come with phase-ins and sunset provisions on the partnership tax credit. This is part of also the increase in the SALT. That is sales tax credits, or if you pay sales tax in other states, or you pay property taxes, it's state and local taxes. that now the provision is, instead of a $10,000 limit, it's a $40,000 limit between now and I believe 2028. Most of these provisions do expire in the tax year 2028. So we've got that going for us. And if we as businesses do need to elect the partnership tax, then through the state, then that's a way to bypass that limitation. But that really only comes into play if you're like a really high earner and you need to do AMT calculations and all that other stuff. But it is out there, and it is something that you should talk to your tax professional about whether or not it's a good idea. And I'll do another video on explaining exactly what SALT and the PTET provisions are in more detail later, but it's out there. So I just wanted to mention that. Okay. So here's the bottom line. The new tax provisions could open up a lot of doors to take advantage of or clean up some of the things that you didn't take advantage of previously. If you qualify, of course, there's always qualification. But if you really want to explore it and you don't have a tax professional that you know, like, interest already to explore it with, I invite you to schedule a call with me at www.bastionbusinesstax.com, and I do give a 15-minute discovery call so we can figure out if I can help you and if we're a good fit. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so we can send you notifications of more videos coming out, so you know how to really take advantage of tax provisions and tax strategies in real life. And don't forget to like us, because that helps our channel grow.